checking out. This is my outfit. Got this pants last night from this Japanese clothing store. It was so cheap. It was only 1,000 yen. The quality is amazing. I guess this is where the locals shop. Has a lining inside. The stitches are good. And material feels nice. So is this raincoat, I guess. The price is 1,000 yen as well. I don't know the store's name, but it's at the Nagoya station. When you exit, it's close to Mr. Donut's shop. Let me just give a quick run through of the room. I love how spacious it is. I love the tatami mat. Something about it so cozy. This table setting and this bed, even though it's so low, it's not as thick as what we're used to in America. It's so comfortable. I don't know what it is. That means it's time for the cherry blossoms to blossom. I found this ramen spot. Got a lot of good reviews. Let's check it out.
Hi. ありがとうございます。おおきに。はい。京都の東山ホテル。美味しい。美味しい？いやありがとう。おおきに。ヤンさん美味しいって。ありがとうございます。Thank you. おおきに。You're welcome. Get this one. It's so practical. Like, you can use it forever. You just change the blocks every month. Yes. There's a tea house inside the garden. It's 500 yen for the tea and 700 for the entrance to the garden. There's no one here, it's just me. I'm queuing for the tea house that's just right around the corner. I'm still at the bottom of the wait list, so I saw this and I'm the only one here. so peaceful. This is so much better than the one that I'm waiting for. So awesome. I can't believe I'm the only one here. If you guys are coming to Arashiyama, check out the garden. Everyone's flocking at the Arashiyama strip that they don't realize there's more areas to explore. Also, where I had my lunch at, the ramen, there were only 5 of us, and it was such a really good ramen. It's something I've never had before. It was lobster based, so good, and the service was amazing. The chef was talking to me, he was so nice. It's not too crowded by tourists. I see some cherry blossoms here and there. They're starting to bloom. It's warm today too. I go back home tomorrow though. I was gonna go check out different areas of Kyoto, but I just want to have a relaxing day. I used to want to do a lot of activities, a lot of photo spots to go to, but now I'm more leaning towards relaxed pace travel style, which is nice. You know, we all have different preference. This is why I love solo traveling. I can do whatever I want, like what I'm doing right now, talking on the camera in a garden. No one is waiting for me, or I'm not waiting on anyone. I'm just doing everything on my timeline. Yay, some sakura! They're so pretty. What more if they're in full bloom? I will be back next year.
Friend? Yeah.
Let's go to the bamboo forest. Bamboo forest photo.
美味しい評判のハンガリー
おいしい。 Ran into another Ghibli stores. They have a different merch. This one is limited edition, I guess. Wow, I feel like the merch here is better than the ones at the Ghibli park. They didn't have these. Next is I'm gonna go back to my previous hotel to pick up my luggage and head to my next accommodation, which is at Osaka.
証券会社西村証券前松井本館松井別館花かんざし
On to the next accommodation. I feel a little sad. I really like this place. It's my favorite for this trip. I'm just waiting for a taxi now. It takes 30 minutes from here to Osaka.